kids, you know how fond I am of sticking in my little tip? I'm gonna stick my little tip in you now. So this is about getting the decorative wheel cover. I don't know what these things are called, but you'll struggle with this because how the hell do you get the wheel on with the thing? Well, the trick is there's one hole of this, which is a larger hole even than your mom possesses. Oh. And that hole, you get one lug started, and that goes on that, and then you start to do the rest. Like I'm about to demonstrate. There's the big hole. Whatever you do, you don't want your hole to be too small. And like so, I feel like you don't necessarily need to watch me do the rest. However, that's how that's done. And the same when you take it off. Well, obviously when you take all of them off, it just falls off. But now you know about the extra large hole. And that has been my little tip into you for this week. Love you. Carry on. She's a goddamn lovely man.